work, force, and energy. In this lesson, force, types of forces, work, simple machines, energy, forms of energy. Force. Every time when we do something, cycling, throwing, running, washing, writing, etc., we are using force. We need force to pull or push something. We need force to perform activities. Do you play football with your friends in the park? What do you do while playing football? You kick the ball using force to put it into the goal or send it towards a teammate. You stop the ball passed to you using force. You simply change the direction of the ball passed to you using force to send it towards another teammate or into the goal. Here, force is used in three ways: moving the ball, stopping the ball, changing the direction of the ball. Force can move an object. When a mother pushes a pram, she uses force to move it. Stop a moving object while playing cricket. A fielder uses force to stop the ball. Change the direction of a moving object. When a batsman hits the ball with his bat, he changes the direction of ball. Change the shape of an object. When you stretch a rubber band or bend a plastic ruler, it changes its shape. Types of forces. There are different kinds of forces: muscular force, mechanical force, elastic force, gravitational force, frictional force. Muscular force. When you lift something like a book or a chair, your muscles exert force. This is called muscular force. We use muscular force while performing day-to-day activities. Mechanical force. Various machines and tools use mechanical force to do work. Elastic force. It is used to move catapults and slingshots. Gravitational force. What happens when you throw a ball up? It comes down on its own. This is because the Earth's gravity pulls it back to the Earth. Gravitational force or gravity is the force that pulls objects down to the Earth. In the absence of any gravitational force, we would be floating in air. Frictional force. Frictional force is another common force. A moving body slows down or stops on its own due to this force. If you roll a ball, it stops rolling after some time. This is because of the friction between the surface of the ball and the ground. Friction is caused when two surfaces move against each other. The rougher the surface, the more the friction. We are able to walk, run and apply brakes because of the frictional force. Muscular force, frictional force, elastic force, gravitational force, mechanical force. Work. Work is done when an object moves over a distance on applying force. However, if you push a brick wall, you are applying force, but since the wall does not move, according to science, no work is done. Work is done when you lift an object and put it in another place. Work is calculated by the following formula. Work done equals force applied times distance moved by the object. Hence, work is a product of force applied and the distance moved by an object in the direction of the force. Work is being done in all these activities. Work done. No work done. Simple machines. We use tools to make our work easier. Such tools are called simple machines. Simple machines make our work easier, do our work faster, help us to do our work with less force. Some simple machines. Lever. A lever is used to lift weights, open the lid of a tin and cut things. Bottle opener, scissors, and pliers are examples of levers. A seesaw is also a type of lever. Bottle opener. Scissors. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat surface whose one end is higher than the other. The load can be pushed up or down over the slope. You must have seen a plank of wood being used to lift heavy barrels onto a truck. Other examples are slide and ramp. Pulley. A pulley consists of a wheel and a rope. The rope fits on the groove of the wheel. It helps to lift weights easily. Pulley is used to hoist a flagon to draw water from a well. Wheel and axle. It is made up of a wheel and axle. The wheel is larger in size and the axle is a rod that goes through the wheel. This allows the wheel to rotate around the axle. Examples are screwdriver, roller skate, steering wheel and bicycle pedal. Bicycle pedal. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. It looks like a nail with grooves cut into it. It is used to hold things together. Examples are jar lids, bulbs, taps, nuts and bolts, etc. Wedge. A wedge is made up of two inclined planes. These planes meet and form a sharp edge. The edges are sharp in front and blunt at the back. It is used to cut hard objects. Forks, axes and knives are examples of wedges. Knife and fork. Energy. We need energy to do everything: eating, writing, laughing, playing, breathing, etc. Energy is the ability to do work. When we apply force, our body uses energy. We get energy from the food we eat. Sources of energy. We get energy from various sources. Most of our energy ultimately comes from the sun. Green plants trap solar energy to make food. Humans and other animals eat plants and use this energy to do work. Solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. This energy can be changed into heat energy, light energy and electrical energy. Solar energy is used in solar heaters and solar cookers by us. Geothermal energy. Energy present deep inside the earth which is very hot is called geothermal energy. Atomic energy. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atomic energy is produced by splitting up of atoms. It should be used carefully and wisely and only for the betterment of society. It can be used for producing electricity. Wind and water energy. We also get energy from wind and water. Wind energy is used to sail boats and run windmills to produce electricity. Water energy is used mainly to generate electricity through dams. Remember not to waste energy obtained from natural sources. Solar heater using solar energy. Water energy to produce electricity. Wind energy to pump up water. Forms of energy. There are many forms of energy. Energy can be changed from one form into another. Some forms of energy are mechanical energy. Things that move or are stretched or compressed have mechanical energy, e.g. a moving car, a stretched catapult, a watch spring, etc. Electrical energy. It is used to produce light in our homes. Heat energy. It is used to cook food. Light energy. We get artificial light from bulbs, tube lights, lamps, etc. Chemical energy. Energy present in food is in the form of chemical energy. Batteries and dry cells also store chemical energy. Conversion of energy. We can convert energy from one form to another. Examples. A steam engine converts heat energy into mechanical energy. An electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. A microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. When we beat a drum, mechanical energy is converted into sound energy. When a doorbell rings, electrical energy is converted into sound energy.